Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm gonna give you guys time to come into the chat. I want to say hello to you today, and I hope you guys are doing well. I'm Dr. Boyce Watkins, and welcome to the Black Financial Channel, theblackfinancialchannel.com. That's where we discover or we explore daily financial news from a Black perspective. So, if you want to get financial news and commentary from a Black perspective, make sure you subscribe at theblackfinancialchannel.com and also follow the Black Financial Channel on Instagram. We have an Instagram page and we put financial news up there every single day, all the time. And it's from a Black point of view. So go check it out, theblackfinancialchannel.com. We actually have 34,000 subscribers on the YouTube channel now, which actually makes our channel bigger than Black Enterprise. So we are growing very, very rapidly and trying to just do the damn thing for you guys and build something special. Hello, Wayne. Hello, Aisha. Hello, Ingrid. Good to see you. Shout out the city that you're from. Shout out what city you're from. Is anybody from the United Kingdom by chance? If you're from the UK, especially, I want you to shout out all of our British friends. Say something because we got a lot of followers in the UK, and I want you guys to know that if you're in the UK, this is for you. This is not me in any way endorsing the Robinhood app. I'm not doing that. I don't have any official business deal with Robinhood at all on any level. I just thought that you guys should know this because in the Black Business School, in my stock market investing class, I have a lot of students that are from the UK who consistently ask me, about potential apps and things that are out there that, that they can use to invest. And there aren't as many apps as there should be. I think that the complexities of the regulatory system might make it difficult to sort of launch certain kinds of businesses in the UK or to expand into the UK. I'm not sure. I got to find out exactly what's going on. But either way, though, I'm really happy to announce that one of the most popular investing apps called Robinhood, which is a great startup company that has a $7.6 billion valuation, has just announced that they are going to launch in the United Kingdom. I think that's a big deal. I think that that's very cool. I like the app. I use the app. I have a lot of stock I own in the app. And so I'm not telling you to use the app. I'm not endorsing the app. I'm just saying that the app will be available. And one of the things that makes the app unique is they don't charge any trading fees, which is a big deal. It's user friendly. It's very easy to kind of get in there and put your money in and take your money out. And as you guys know, we've tried to become kind of like a financial Moses or I would say the Pied Piper, but that sounds kind of weird. But basically, what we want to do is actually lead lots of our people into the world of investing by basically me using my expertise as a finance professor to persuade you and your family to accept the idea that those who invest in the stock market tend to have far more wealth than the people who do not invest. In fact, the easiest way to stay poor in America and beyond is to not participate in the financial activities that wealthy people are participating in. Wealthy people own stock. And I agree. I see Wayne mentions that TD Ameritrade is going to be purchased by Charles Schwab. That is absolutely, positively 100% true. And that's a big deal. I own some stock in TD Ameritrade and or actually, yeah, I think it was TD Ameritrade, and they saw a big jump in their stock price, and I wish I'd bought more of their stock. But yeah. So that's kind of what it is. So anyway, let me do me a favor. Please hit the thumbs up button while I read this to you real quick, and I'm gonna read this and kind of break this down for you. I got a meeting in a second, so I can't be on here for too long. I won't take much of your time. If you're on Facebook, please share this to your page. If you're on YouTube, please hit the thumbs up button and the notification bell. So according to CNBC, Robinhood is opening a waiting list in the UK ahead of a full launch planned for next year. It received broker authorization from Britain's Financial Conduct Authority over the summer. The company was valued at $7.6 billion following a funding round announced in July. Financial technology startup Robinhood is gearing to launch its commission-free trading app in the UK. The Menlo Park, California firm said Wednesday that it's opening a waiting list for people to sign up ahead of a full launch planned for next year. The company received broker authorization from the Financial Conduct Authority over the summer. Quote, we're bringing the best of years of product development to the US in the US to UK customers, says Wanda Rutgers, president of Robinhood UK Business. Users can sign up for early access starting on Wednesday. We will aim to launch the product by early 2020, so expect to see customers having it in their hands in Q1 of next year. The UK is home to a flourishing fintech sector with companies like Monzo, Revolut, and Starling gaining traction over the last few years thanks to their app-based checking accounts that don't charge fees. Now, Revolut recently announced it will start taking the online brokerage space with its own zero fee share trading service. So there are a lot of companies that are already kind of trying to do what Robinhood does. And I imagine some of the homegrown British companies are going to try to compete with this. But I will tell you, I think that that Robinhood is a damn good app. It functions quite well, and I'm really happy with the performance so far. I'm not endorsing it, though. I'm not telling you to go buy it. I'm just telling you honest God truth in terms of what my experience has been. Now, did I see the Tesla truck? Asked Wayne. Yes, I did. I heard that it flopped. I heard that they have these so-called shatterproof windows, and the guy took a hammer to the window, and the window shattered. It seems like you might have tested that before you threw it out there in front of the public, but hey, that's their thing. But either way, though, I think the Tesla truck is cool. It looks very futuristic, and I'm sure once they work out the kinks, it's going to be great. Hey, hello, Nakia. Thank you for reminding people. Make sure you sign up if you want to learn about investing in the stock market. We have a stock market class. Feel free to go to theblackstockmarketprogram.com. Don't worry about signing up until Black Friday, though, because we got a real big Black Friday discount coming up. It's going to be a limited discount, limited time, limited number of people will allow to take the discount. But you can actually sign up at a massive discount, and I'll announce that very soon. You may want to go to theblackbusinessschool.com to get a free membership so that when I announce it, you'll be one of the first to get the email. So go to theblackbusinessschool.com, just sign up for free if you want to, that's fine, and get started, and then you'll be in the list, and that way I can email you right away when we announce the discount. And so that's pretty much it. I don't have anything else to say. I got to get to my meeting, but I want to let you guys know that in the UK, they're announcing this app. I'm wondering how hard it's going to be for people in the UK to buy assets in the US, or how hard it'll be for people in the US to buy in the UK. They said one factor that has led to the rise in popularity of the so-called challenger banks has been the word of mouth approach to picking up users, where people start referring their friends and family to the financial upstarts apps. Vlad Tenev, co-founder and co-CEO of Robinhood, called this tactic the secret sauce behind the group's growth in the US. Quote, I think ultimately we recognize the UK is going to be a tough market. It's a challenging market, not just because of the competitive landscape, but also the customers have discerning tastes. They're quite sophisticated, and there's a long history of financial products here. That's true. I love going to London because my London people, when I go do events there, they sell out, and people there are just, Black London is beautiful. I mean, I just love London. In fact, when we were creating our investment tribes, which we're going to roll out all through next year, all throughout the United States and throughout the world, London was the first place we experimented with, because I was so impressed with the way Black Londoners think. There's so much strength there and possibility there. And so I agree. If Black London is any sort of indication of London as a whole, or England as a whole, then I can understand why the UK would be a great place to expand. Last but not least, Robinhood will also help itself competing with incumbent online brokers like Hargreaves Lansdown, which charges 11.95 pounds per order. So they charge almost 12 pounds per order, which is huge. And upstart broker Free Trade. But Rutgers says he doesn't believe the UK is, quote, a country of investors yet, adding he hopes the company will be able to help millennials who often shy away from investing because they think it's complex or expensive. That is true. A lot of people stay away from investing because they're scared of it. If you're scared of investing, then you're scared of money. And I'm just telling you, I can just say to you as an expert on stock markets and investing, there's no reason to be afraid of it. The only thing you should be afraid of is not investing at all, which is kind of your guarantee that you're never going to move forward financially. So start investing, download an app. It doesn't matter which one. You get this one or another, and it's totally fine. But do something for your family. Do something for your future. That's very important. And once again, I have a great stock market investing class. If you want to go take a look at that, it's theblackstockmarketprogram.com. That's theblackstockmarketprogram.com. And we have a Black Business School for Children where we teach investing to children as well. You can go to blackmillionairesoftomorrow.com. That's blackmillionairesoftomorrow.com. So take care, guys. I'm out of here. I got to go to my meeting. So I'll check back in at the Black Financial Channel. You guys have a great day. See you soon. Bye.